If you're looking to take control of your notifications in teamwork.com and tailor them to your specific needs, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up custom notifications in Teamwork, ensuring you're never overwhelmed by irrelevant updates and always stay in the loop with the most important tasks. Stick around because I'll also share a pro tip that will supercharge your productivity within Teamwork, and as a bonus, I'll tell you about an exclusive way to get started with this software for free with some added perks. First, let's dive into Teamwork's notification system. Teamwork.com is an excellent project management tool, but customizing your notifications can make all the difference in how effectively you manage your tasks and communicate with your team. When you first set up your account, you'll likely get standard notifications, which can be helpful but quickly become overwhelming. The good news is you can adjust these settings so you only get updates that matter. To start, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select My Profile and then choose the Notifications tab. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all the different notifications you can enable or disable. Whether it's new comments on tasks, project updates, or changes to your assigned tasks, you have the power to choose exactly what you want to be notified about. You can toggle each notification on or off based on what works best for you. For example, if you're involved in multiple projects, you might want to receive updates only about tasks you're specifically assigned to, not every little update across the board. By disabling less critical notifications, you can focus on what truly matters and keep distractions to a minimum. What's also great is that you can customize notifications on a per project basis. This means that if you're working on a high priority project, you can turn up the notifications for that project while silencing others. Just click into the project, go to Project Settings, and under the Notifications section, choose how frequently you want to be notified about activity. For those who prefer more direct communication, you can set up notifications to come through email or within the app. Email notifications are useful if you want to stay on top of things without being logged into Teamwork, but if you want real-time updates, in-app notifications can be ideal. And here's a little pro tip. If you're managing a team, you can encourage your team members to customize their notifications as well. This reduces the chances of them feeling bombarded with irrelevant updates and helps keep everyone focused on their priorities. Now, to really maximize Teamwork's potential, consider using the integrations it offers with apps like Slack, Google Calendar, or even Zapier to automate more of your workflows. This way, notifications about key tasks and deadlines can seamlessly flow into your daily routine without the need to manually check the platform every few minutes. The best part is, if you're new to Teamwork, you can get started for free with a trial using the first link below, and on top of that, we've secured an exclusive extended free trial for you. Take advantage of these added benefits to explore Teamwork's full functionality without worrying about initial costs. Custom notifications are just one of the ways this tool can help streamline your day-to-day work. In summary, setting up custom notifications in teamwork.com is quick and easy. Whether you're managing a solo project or coordinating with a team, these simple adjustments can make a world of difference in how you stay organized and productive. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial through the link below so you can start customizing your experience today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out the next video where I'll dive deeper into other Teamwork features to help you work smarter, not harder.